Hi guys, I'm Love and today I'm going to make another video. But today's video I'm going to do a fun thing for kids. It's known as ice games. So this is like I'm going to teach you some games which you can use in parties using ice. In home parties actually. So let's start. So firstly, passing the ice cube is the first game. It comes from passing the parcel game. So I'll tell you the rules. So the rules are that first, make everyone sit in a circle, then take one ice cube and start passing it around. On whoever kid's hand the ice melts, or whichever kids drops the ice down is out. Then once the ice melts, then you start with a new ice. And same when it is dropped, and if you can reuse it again, it's okay. If it has melted and it dropped down, then use another ice. Continue this process until the last two kids are left. So this is when the last two kids are left in the game. Whoever drops the ice or the ice melts in his hand loses and the other one wins. So you have a winner. Okay, so that's the first game, passing the ice cube. Now the second one is lick the ice cube. So first, and one more thing, for these ice games you need to have a lot of ice, at least 10 ices for a party. For one game in a party, you need at least 5 to 10 ices. So it's better if you have some ices stored in the freezer. So lick the ice cube. Freeze ice cubes with a lollipop or a popsicle stick. A lollipop or a popsicle stick, just take a stick like a toothpick is also okay, but it should be strong enough, extending from each cube. And the race to see who can melt their ice pop first by licking the cube. And also you have to make sure that the ices are of the same size, or else it will be not fair for some children. So 2 games are done. Now let's go to the next one. This one is a pretty fun one for like older kids, like 6th grade and above. Cold shirt. Divide into 4 teams and give one frozen t-shirt to each team. The team who thaws the shirt and gets it on a team member first wins. So what you have to exactly do is that you have to make like the ice, the t-shirt is frozen. So then the team have to do something to make the shirt thaw and get melted, and then you have to and then the team member has to put it on also to prove that it's not frozen, it's wet. So this is the preparation for the cold shirt. First, what you have to do is fold a t-shirt for each team. Then place the t-shirt inside a gallon food storage bag. Add 2 cups of water to each bag. Then place in the freezer overnight. You can lay the shirts flat or crumple them. Be sure that each shirt is frozen in the same general shape. This game is for middle school age and above. So you have to make sure that it's either all of them are crumpled or all of them are flat, and all of them are almost of the same shape. And they also fit the kids who are there with you. Because if it's too loose or too tight, then no one will be able to win the game. Next, this is a very fun one for elementary school kids. So let's start first with a little bit of salt. Kids can easily build towers out of a bunch of ice cubes. So the salt melts the ice faster. So by rubbing a little bit of salt on top of an ice cube, a small amount of water will form. This is the perfect amount to stick another ice cube on top and join the two together. kids can compete to see who can build the tallest tower. This game is best played indoors or somewhere cool so that the entire tower doesn't melt too quickly. I mean, like, you won't go outside in the sun and play this game so that the ice melts in 5 seconds. So this is all what you have to do is you need ice cubes and salt. Ice cubes, you knew it was coming, and salt. And always be sure it's just a little bit, means half a pinch is also enough. Salt you can use. So next, this is it for my video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye.